morning. It's another day, and I think it's the third day? Fourth day? Not really sure. Honestly, I'm very confused. Okay, whatever. But today we're just chillaxing. We're gonna go to the beach, I think, and then we're gonna go into the lazy river again. But we found this area yesterday, like there's a cove at the beach, so we're gonna go there again because it's so pretty. There was a sign that said staff only, but we kind of just ignored that and pretended it didn't exist. So we walked right by it, and it was really nice. I think it's just because the waters might be rougher, or there's nobody watching maybe. But there's not even people at the beach anyway, like lifeguards, so I don't really know. But yeah, we're gonna go there. It's gonna be a fun day, another fun day. And once again, wearing bathing suits literally is so painful. And my skin is so tender on my shoulders. But everywhere else has kind of faded, so I'm just back at the room. I just had breakfast, and now I'm just waiting for everybody to get ready and go to the beach. See you at the beach. Beach. How relaxing. The fam. All chillaxing together. Chill out, maxing, relaxing, all cool. All outside of the beach. They're up to no good. I got one little fucking mom got scared. She said, "What you auntie and uncle in Bel Air?" My toes are sandy. And I hate sand on my feet. It literally skis me out. I'm small. Currently headed to the lighthouse to meet up with the girls. We just ate, and me and Chris had a photo shoot. Didn't record any of that. I have no idea where they are. It is pitch black. You can't see me at all. Hopefully I can find them. Well, we'll see how this goes. Okay, never mind. They were in the lighthouse, and there was creepy music playing there, so quickly running away by myself at this resort. Kind of scared, but you know, I'm going to meet up with them at the snack bar. I don't even know why I'm recording because you can't see me at all. That's the lighthouse. Looks really pretty. Where are they? We bowling. Bowl time. Stunting. They're actually pretty good. Wait. Where's yours?
Not my size.
What's your size?
8.
I am. Oh. Krista. She spelled her own name wrong.
Flag.
I'm a winner as of right now. Don't. Oh God. She's feeling it. She's on a straight 0 streak. Oh. World. somewhere. Actually, it's feeling a lot better, but the way I was sleeping last night, it felt like my whole body was falling asleep. Because I'd sleep like this, like literally like, and then I'd like turn really slowly and I'd be like, I got like really sunburned on like this one shoulder, so I just slept on this side. We're going to the tour.
And you can go to the second.
Ooh, mamacita. Oh, another mom. Oh, oh.
Mamacitas have had so much sorry.
I'm a bad guy. No, can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Nobody tell me nothing. Take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. She's still talking to them. We met a bunch of Spanish guys and they were like photos and lots of photos. And we took a picture with them and then Michelle was just hugging them forever. We're having a lot of fun on the boat. It's just us. Buddy,
You're perfect.
Oh!
Baby, you're perfect. start right now.
That 1D life.
It's time we go. I'm gonna be an asshole this, but I'm not that much. Like for me, I'd rather have
your bed.
And
If you like causing trouble up in hotel rooms,
what's